Today we're hanging out at Heron Creek by Meritage Homes. I brought you here because it's a closeout community which is in the final stages of sales. They actually only have 5 home sites available, and I know what you're thinking. You're saying, why would you showcase a community that only has 5 homes available to sell? Well, the reason why is because today I'm going to be sharing 4 hidden benefits of buying in a closeout community. Stick around so you can learn more. My name is Yadi Karina Jones, and I'm a real estate agent with Lifestyle International Realty here in Charlotte and the surrounding areas. Every week, I make it my business to get out into the Charlotte metro area to show you more about what it's like to live, work, play, eat, sleep, do it all here in the Queen City. If you're thinking about making a move to Charlotte, North Carolina, I'd love to connect with you using any of the contact information below. You can call me, text me, email me, set up a Zoom call. That's my favorite. Now, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I invite you to do so right now so you never miss what it's like to live here in the Queen City. Now, let's find out more about closeout communities and the hidden benefits they have for you. First hidden benefit of living in a closeout community is exactly what you see around me. You get to live in a brand new construction home without the nuisance of noise or the messiness of living in a construction zone. Take it from me as a realtor, I'm always having to deal with construction nails in my tire or red clay on my shoes. So this gives you the benefit of having it all. You get to live in a brand new construction community without dealing with construction. The second hidden benefit of buying in a new construction community is the fact that the construction crew has had the time to gel. So the superintendent understands his or her workers, as well as the workers and tradespeople understand the nuances and the expectations of their superintendent. The other thing is that they know the floor plans really well and they understand the specifications of each floor plan. Right now there are 3 floor plans available here. And so at this point, they not only understand each other, but they also understand the work and labor that they're getting into. The third hidden benefit of buying in a closeout community is the fact that you usually have negotiating power. Now, we typically tell you to buy at the front end of a community so that you can build the most equity, but towards the end of the community, you can also negotiate. Now, one reason for this is because production builders have typically already identified another area that they're getting ready to build in. And so all of their focus is there. And so they're ready to close out this community and get on to the next one. So if a community has very few home sites left, you're probably going to be able to get discounts and negotiate that price down, as well as get some freebies such as washers and dryers. If you've ever walked into a model home and said, give me everything in here, I'll take it just as it is, you're gonna like the 4th benefit of buying in a closeout community, and that is that you can sometimes snag the model home. The model home in this particular community isn't available, but sometimes when you do get to a community before closeout, you can purchase it. And that home typically comes with upgrades that the other homes do not have. You also sometimes have the benefit of buying the items at auction that are in the home. So that makes it even sweeter. Now, if you've ever thought about it, this is the way to get a model home. Buying towards the end. Heron Creek is starting at $499,000. And if you think this is the right community for you, let's connect. Now, if you're just looking for a closeout community and you're not looking for a ranch style community like Heron Creek, that's okay too. Connect with me using any of the contact information below. You can call me, text me, Zoom, or you can simply reach out to me via email. Now, I'm Yadi Karina Jones with Lifestyle International Realty. Thanks for watching. See you next time.